This is another video using the properties of logarithms, chapter 5.3. This homework that I'm going to be doing are on page 384. And in the previous ones, we use these properties to expand out a logarithm, which is a product or exponent of things, and turn it into things we added or subtracted. Now we're going to take those things and contract them into one as best we can. So on this page, let's do number 61, which is the first in the group. So that's ln of 3 plus ln of x. Well, this looks like our product property. We're set up as two added together, so this is just going to equal ln of 3 times x, which is ln of 3x. And that's it. All right, let's do 67. That's log of x plus 2 log of x plus 1. Now be careful here. I oftentimes see students trying to do things when you're taking a log of a sum of things. We can't do anything with that. There's no rule for that. We can, however, do some stuff ahead of time. So right now we have a log here and 2 logs here, so we can use the power rule, property power, to move the 2 up into the exponent. So this is going to equal log of x plus log of x plus 1 quantity squared. And now we have the sum of 2 logs, which is log of x times x plus 1 squared. Now, we could probably just leave it like this, because if we're taking a log like that, we should move the other thing in front if there was going to be an issue. But let's put a bracket around there just to be safe, just to illustrate that this is all one log. Now note, I can't bring this 2 out in front. This 2 is stuck. Okay, I've got a product here. If this x was also squared, whereas the whole thing was squared, I could bring it out, but I can't now, and I don't really want to anyway. All right, let's scroll down and let's try one more. Let's try number 73. All right, so we have 1/2 times a big mess of stuff. That looks like it's all of it. All right, so a whole bunch of stuff there. Inside the parentheses here, or the brackets, I've got 3 different logarithms. Only 2 of them can I combine right now. What I can do with the first one is move the 2 up. So let's leave this 1/2 out. And this one is ln of x plus 3 quantity squared. And I have a subtraction here. So an ln of x minus ln of x squared minus 1, I can do ln of a quotient. So x over x squared minus 1. Okay, now I have a sum. Now I can multiply them together. So this is going to be ln of x plus 3 quantity squared times x over x squared minus 1. That's still going to be in the denominator. And now I definitely don't need it, because I've got an ln in front of a quotient there. There's no way that could be mistook as anything else. So what I have left is this 1/2. This needs to come up. So I'm just going to do the square root of the whole thing. So x x plus 3 squared, x squared minus 1. And let's highlight that this is a square root. Okay, so there's some problems where we're contracting everything into 1.